Wel, i ni tu allan y pafiliwn gyda Amy Wadge, sef llywydd y diwrnod, a sy'n adnabyddus am fod yn co-writer Ed Sheeran. Shwmai?
Shwmai, how are you?
Good, thank you. We'll start off with a quick quiz for you.
Okay.
So, how many times has Thinking Out Loud been seen on YouTube? 1.4 billion, 1.5 billion, or 1.6 billion?
I'm going to go 1.4 billion.
It's 1.6.
Okay, question number 2. Now, you've worked with Nick Jonas, haven't you? But can you name all 3 of the brothers? Is Nick there for you already?
So Nick, Joe, yeah, and I'm really out. Please.
Starts with a K.
Kanye.
Close. Kevin. Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin, of course. Yeah.
Well, me and Gareth are desperate to know what is the trick of writing a hit single?
God, I wish I knew, because if I did, I'd have written hundreds. But do you know what? It's about the stars aligning, about the artist being incredible, about getting a theme that everybody connects with. But honestly, I don't know. It was literally everything coming together at one moment, and it was amazing.
Well, ni Gareth, felly ni drio canu Gymru byddwn nesaf.
Yeah, Cynnig Gymru next year and sorted. Who is your dream collaboration if you can only pick one person?
I mean, it's always going to be Ed, because he's my boy and I love him. But I am about to go to Nashville on Sunday, and I'm working with the Dixie Chicks, and I'm doing a road trip with them, and that would have been very high on my list 10 years ago, so I'm kind of about to do it, so it's very exciting.
That is amazing, yeah.
Lovely to see you.
Thank you so much for the chat. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Mwynhau diwrnod. Diolch.